Welcome to my channel Genius Brain Box. Class 7th Subject Social. Chapter number 5. Chapter name Europe. Total 41 questions. 15 seconds for each question. For each correct answer you will get 1 point.
Are you ready? Let's start.
The Ural Mountains are the eastern boundary of which continent? Asia, Africa, Europe. Which mountain range stretches across several countries in Europe? Pyrenees, Alps, Carpathian Mountains. Which is the longest river in Europe? Danube, Rhine, Volga. What is a landmass surrounded by sea on 3 sides and connected to the mainland on the 4th side called? Island, Gulf, Peninsula. Which European country is an island country? Spain, Italy, Great Britain. What are parts of the sea enclosed by land on 3 sides called? Straits, bays and gulfs, peninsulas. What is the name of the ocean current that originates near the equator and influences the climate of Europe? North Atlantic Drift, Canary Current, Gulf Stream. What are the winds that blow from the Atlantic Ocean towards Europe called? Trade winds, monsoons, westerlies. What type of climate do the southernmost countries of Europe have? Tropical, Mediterranean, continental. How many main seasons do most European countries have? 2, 3, 4. In which season do broadleaf trees shed their leaves in Europe? Spring, summer, winter. What is the main crop grown in the European plains? Barley, corn, wheat. What is the name given to the land reclaimed from the sea in the Netherlands? Polder, dike, turpen. Which European countries are famous for their wine? Germany and Poland, Portugal, Spain, Italy, and southern France, Russia and Ukraine. What is a primary source of livelihood for most people in Europe? Agriculture, fishing, industry and service sector. Who was the Italian sailor who stumbled upon America while searching for a new route to India? Vasco da Gama, Ferdinand Magellan, Christopher Columbus. What are the winds that blow from the south of Europe towards the southwest direction called? Westerlies, monsoons, trade winds. What is the name of the shallow area in the North Sea known for its fishing grounds? Grand Banks, Dogger Bank, George's Bank. What is the name of the embankments built in the Netherlands to push back the sea? Polders, turpens, dikes. What percentage of land in Norway is available for cultivation? 3%, 10%, 20%. Which European city is known as the Land of the Midnight Sun? Oslo, Helsinki, Stockholm. Which sea separates Europe from Africa? Mediterranean Sea, Black Sea, Baltic Sea. Which mountain range forms the southern boundary of Europe? Alps, Pyrenees, Caucasus Mountains. What is the collective name for the landmass of Asia and Europe? Eurasia, Laurasia, Pangaea. Which European river flows through several major industrial and mining cities? Danube, Volga, Rhine. Which European city is located on the banks of the Danube River? Vienna, Prague, Budapest. Which two countries make up the Scandinavian peninsula? Finland and Sweden. Norway and Sweden. Denmark and Norway. Which European country is known for its extensive use of dikes and polders? Belgium, Netherlands, Luxembourg. What is the primary reason for the difference in climate between Western and Eastern Europe? Distance from the equator, the Atlantic Ocean and its winds, the presence of mountains. Which European countries experience heavy snowfall and bitter cold in winters? Spain and Portugal, Italy and Greece, Russia and Ukraine. What is the main reason for the mild winters in the Mediterranean countries? Warm ocean currents, the westerlies, the Alps. Which season is the primary season for agriculture in Europe? Spring, summer, autumn. What are the two main agricultural seasons in India? Spring and autumn, summer and winter, Rabi and Kharif. What technological advancements led to the agricultural revolution in Europe? Irrigation systems and crop rotation, mechanization and chemical fertilizers, genetic engineering and biotechnology. What is the average size of most farms in Europe? 5 to 10 acres, 10 to 20 acres, more than 50 to 100 acres. What are some common methods of meat preservation used by European farmers? Canning and pickling, smoking, drying, and freezing, salting and curing. Why does the government provide subsidies to farmers in Europe? To encourage organic farming, to promote exports, to compensate for lower income compared to other sectors. What were the main goods that Europeans sought from Asia through trade? Gold and silver, spices, silk and cotton, porcelain and tea. Why did European sailors and traders start searching for new routes to India about 500 years ago? To avoid conflicts with the Arabs. To find shorter and faster routes. To discover new lands and resources. Which group of islands did Christopher Columbus mistakenly believe he had reached when he landed in the Americas? The Bahamas. The Canary Islands. The West Indies. What are the winds that blow from the southwest to the northeast and aided European travel to and from America? Trade winds. Westerlies. Monsoons.
Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and comment below that how many points you got.